Hello, welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current NBA Cup standing as of December 2, 2024 and the games to be played on December 4, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Here are the teams for East Group A: Orlando Magic, New York Knicks, Philadelphia 76ers, Brooklyn Nets, and Charlotte Hornets. Here is the team standings for East Group A. Number 5 is the Charlotte Hornets, 0 win and 3 losses. Their last game will be against Philadelphia 76ers. Hornet is already eliminated. Number 4 is the Brooklyn Nets, 1 win and 3 losses. Brooklyn Nets is also eliminated. Number 3 is the Philadelphia 76ers, 1 win and 2 losses. Their last game will be against Charlotte Hornets. 76ers is also eliminated. Number 2 team is the New York Knicks, 3 wins and 0 loss. Their last game will be against Orlando Magic. And the number 1 team is the Orlando Magic, 3 wins and 0 loss. Their next game will be against New York Knicks. The Orlando Magic and the New York Knicks will fight for the East Group A, while the loser has a chance for a wild card spot. Here are the teams for the East Group B: Milwaukee Bucks, Detroit Pistons, Miami Heat, Toronto Raptors, and Indiana Pacers. Here's the team standings for East Group B. Number 5 is the Indiana Pacers, 0 win and 3 losses. Their last game will be against Toronto Raptors. Indiana is already eliminated. Number 4 is the Toronto Raptors, 0 win and 3 losses. Their last game will be against Indiana Pacers. Toronto is also eliminated. Number 3 is the Miami Heat, 2 wins and 2 losses. Number 2 is the Detroit Pistons, 3 wins and 0 loss. Their last game will be against Milwaukee Bucks. And the number 1 team is the Milwaukee Bucks, 3 wins and 0 loss. Their last game will be against Detroit Pistons. The Milwaukee Bucks and the Detroit Pistons will fight for East Group B spot, and the loser has a chance in the wild card spot. Here are the teams for East Group C: Atlanta Hawks, Boston Celtics, Cleveland Cavaliers, Chicago Bulls, and Washington Wizards. Here's the team standings for East Group C. Number 5 is the Washington Wizards, 0 win, 3 losses. Their last game will be against Cleveland Cavaliers. Wizards is already eliminated. Number 4 is the Cleveland Cavaliers, 1 win, 2 losses. Their last game will be against Washington Wizards. Cavaliers is already eliminated. Number 3 is the Chicago Bulls, 2 wins and 2 losses. Bulls is already eliminated. Number 2 is the Boston Celtics, 3 wins, 1 loss. Boston has a chance for a wild card spot. And the number 1 is the Atlanta Hawks, 3-1 record. Atlanta clinch Group C. Here are the teams for West Group A: Houston Rockets, Los Angeles Clippers, Portland Trail Blazers, Minnesota Timberwolves, and Sacramento Kings. Here's the team standings for West Group A. Number 5, Sacramento Kings, 0 win, 3 losses. Their last game will be against Houston Rockets. Kings is already eliminated. Number 4 is the Los Angeles Clippers, 1 win and 2 losses. Their last game will be against Portland Trail Blazers. If they win their last game, they had a chance for wild card spot. Number 3 is the Minnesota Timberwolves, 2 wins and 2 losses. Minnesota is already eliminated. Number 2 is the Portland Trail Blazers, 2 wins, 1 loss. Their last game will be against Los Angeles Clippers. If they win, they have a chance for a wild card spot. And the number 1 team is the Houston Rockets, 3 wins and 0 loss. Their last game will be against the Sacramento Kings. Houston already clinched West Group A. Here are the teams for West Group B. Los Angeles Lakers, Oklahoma City Thunder, San Antonio Spurs, Phoenix Suns, and Utah Jazz. This is their team standings. Number 5 is the Utah Jazz, 0 win, 3 losses. Their last game will be against Oklahoma City Thunder. Jazz is already eliminated. Number 4 is the Los Angeles Lakers, 2 wins, 2 losses. They have a chance in wild card spot. Number 3 is the Phoenix Suns, 2 wins and 1 loss. Their last game will be against San Antonio Spurs. Phoenix Suns has a chance to clinch West Group B. Number 2 is the Oklahoma City Thunder, 2 wins and 1 loss. Their last game will be against Utah Jazz. They had a chance to clinch West Group B. And the number 1 team is the San Antonio Spurs with 2 wins and 1 loss. Their last game will be against Phoenix Suns. They also has a chance to clinch West Group B. Here are the teams for West Group C: Warriors, Mavericks, Pelicans, Denver, and Memphis Grizzlies. Here's the team standings for West Group C. Number 5 is the New Orleans Pelicans, 1 win, 3 losses. Pelicans is already eliminated. Number 4 is the Memphis Grizzlies, 1 win and 2 losses. Their last game will be against the Dallas Mavericks. Number 3 is the Denver Nuggets, 1 win and 2 losses. Their last game will be against Golden State Warriors. Number 2, Dallas Mavericks, 2 wins and 1 loss. Their last game will be against Memphis Grizzlies. The Dallas Mavericks, Denver Nuggets, and Memphis Grizzlies has a chance for wild card spot. And the number 1 team is the Golden State Warriors, 3 wins and 0 losses. Their last game will be against the Denver Nuggets. Golden State Warriors already clinched West Group C. These are the NBA Cup schedule on December 4, 2024 Philippine time or December 3, 2024 US time. This will be the last day of NBA Cup for group play. After all the games, the matchup for the next round will be determined together with the wild card team. In the first game, Tyrese Maxey and the 76ers will play against LaMelo Ball and the Charlotte Hornets in Spectrum Center at 8 a.m. The Cleveland Cavaliers, led by Donovan Mitchell, will try to bounce back from back-to-back losses against the struggling Wizards team, led by Jordan Poole in Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse at 8 a.m. Giannis Antetokounmpo and the Milwaukee Bucks will try to clinch East Group B against Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons in Little Caesars Arena at 8 a.m. Both teams are unbeaten in the NBA Cup. Other teams with unbeaten record will play in Madison Square Garden at 8:30 a.m. The Orlando Magic, led by Franz Wagner, and the New York Knicks, led by Jalen Bronson. The Indiana Pacers, led by Pascal Siakam, will face RJ Barrett and the Toronto Raptors in Scotiabank Arena at 8:30 a.m. The Oklahoma City Thunder will fight to clinch West Group B spot in NBA Cup against John Collins in the Utah Jazz in Paycom Center at 9 a.m. Two teams will fight for a wildcard spot in American Airlines Center at 9:30 a.m. The Memphis Grizzlies, led by Jaren Jackson Jr., and the Dallas Mavericks, led by Luka Doncic. The San Antonio Spurs, led by Victor Wembanyama, will fight for NBA Cup group spot against Devin Booker and the Phoenix Suns in Footprint Center at 10 a.m. The Denver Nuggets, led by Nikola Jokic, will try to secure a wildcard spot against Stephen Curry and the Golden State Warriors in Ball Arena at 11 a.m. The Houston Rockets will try to make a statement game against Domantas Sabonis in the Sacramento Kings and Golden One Center at 11 a.m. The Portland Trail Blazers, led by Robert Williams III, will face James Harden and the Clippers in Intuit Doom at 11:30 a.m. Both teams still have a chance for a wildcard spot. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.